Headstands are one of the key exercises of the intensity program. Headstands is not only going to improve your back strength, but it's really going to do wonders for your posture. So your jumps, your basing, your flying, everything when it comes to cheer can be corrected by having a really amazing posture. And the only way that you can really train that is by being inverted. We're going to try a couple of different exercises, but when you start off, it's much better if you try it against a wall or something soft, because it's not that easy to get up. It's a lot harder than it looks. What we're going to do is going to progress through different exercises, and you're going to stay at the level that you're at. If you want more, then you want to do the same exercises as a handstand. So we're going to try and look at the basics first. There are two positions for the headstands. If you're working with children, you do not want to do the tripod stand that we're going to use for adults. The reason being is that children have a very sensitive and small bone that is still growing called the fibula, and if you put too much pressure on it, that might break or that might cause them some problems. So for children, stay aware of this one and do the regular tripod. As an adult, you've developed these bones, and actually using the second tripod stand, which we're going to use like this, is going to give you a lot more stability, especially if you're doing exercises with your legs. We're going to go through the basic technique of headstands. You want to clasp your fingers like this and put them over your head. Now watch closely. Where the head goes to the ground, the head needs to go down straight like this, not like this. So tuck your chin under, and you want your hands to rest on the top of your head, and the weight goes just where the pinky is. But you're pressing against your hand and pressing against your elbows like this. Press against your elbows and make sure they're neither too wide or too narrow, like this. Go up into a pike. Don't rush this because it's not going to work if you rush it. You're going to bend in and go up into a ball. Once you've got this, extend, keep it strong, and you want to make yourself as long as possible. Keep your hips tucked under and really squeeze with all your might. This is your perfect posture. And then come down slowly. If you train this enough, your posture is going to become really key to developing all of your cheer skills. Once you've really gotten to grips with your headstand, we're going to start incorporating some leg movements so that you're really challenging your core and your posture. We're going to go into our class, into our headstand position, up, and we're going to do some crisscrosses. So up, into a ball, and up, and then you go out, in, keeping your toes nice and pointed. And down. The final variation is to go into tripod. You're going to bring your legs as low as you can possibly go. You're really going to have to work here with your balance, and you will have to go backwards. So really test it and start going slowly, then possibly at 90 degrees and then all the way down. So challenge yourself and improve as the weeks go by. So again, we go up, into our headstand, up, squeeze in, and up. Make sure you're nice and stable. And then we're going to go all the way down. So down, and up.